Happy Monday, friends. For today's activity, we are going to be making Play-Doh. The ingredients that you are going to need to use today are going to be flour, cold water, salt, oil, and food coloring. Now, remember, this can be a very messy activity, so if you have gloves to use, make sure that you use them because the food coloring does tend to stain our skin a little bit. It doesn't take that long to take it off, just so long as you wash your hands immediately after, you should be fine. As we're waiting, go ahead and put an ice cube inside your container for the water, so that way it's nice and cold once it's time for us to pour it into our mixture. So first you're going to get your flour. You're going to scoop it up from the bag and then you're going to pour it inside your container. The next thing you're going to do is you're going to get your salt and you're going to pour that into your cup and then pour that along with the flour. Next, you're going to carefully pour in the oil into your teaspoon and then just pour that as well into your container. Now it's time for our water. So before you pour it in, go ahead and take out the ice cube and then pour in the water that you have into your container. Now you can use a spoon or something to mix it in the beginning. I find it easier just mixing it with your hands. It is a little messy, but that way you're able to mix all the ingredients properly. Now, if you feel like your mixture is still a little dry, go ahead and pour in a little bit more water until you get the consistency that feels right. After you're done, go ahead and take it out and then just kind of put a little bit of flour on the table and then just knead it a little bit more on a flat surface instead of the bowl. And then once everything is done, everything's ready, now you can start adding in the colors. I'm personally using green and blue to keep into the topic of earth. The green is for the land and the blue is for the water. Pour in a couple of drops and then you're going to mix it. Now this is when it's a perfect time to bring out those gloves. Like I said, the food coloring does stain your hands a little bit, but as long as you wash your hands, you should be fine. So you're going to mix it and knead it until all the color is mixed in with the dough. This is the only time that your hands will get stained. Once you start playing with the Play-Doh and everything, it should be fine. It doesn't stain anything. Your hands are no longer stained as well because the food coloring dries along inside the dough. So just make sure that you knead it and you keep on moving it around. That way all the color mixes in well with the dough. Once you are done, just make sure that you put all your ingredients away, that you help mom and dad wipe down the table. And then once everything is nice and clean, you washed your hands and dried them really good, you can sit down and you can enjoy that Play-Doh. All right, guys, I will see y'all later. Have a good day. Bye.